Here's 5 wild AI truths, crazy enough to seem like they came from a space movie. Painted in bold storytelling. 1. The dreaming machines. In quiet AI labs, where server rows buzz like strange nests, scientists found odd behavior. Machines that seemed to dream, not during shaky dream phases of human slumber. Instead, within looping visions sparked by deep learning systems shaped by endless pictures, while coders at Google poured raw image static into a pattern-spotting algorithm and told it to boost details. The system didn't merely clarify lines, it imagined. Cathedrals grew full of colored glass windows, yet dogs carried fur like star patterns looping endlessly. Meanwhile, trees curled into keyboard shapes oozing bright liquid from storms. This strange effect, called deep dream, didn't happen by accident. It showed how AI thinks, a wild mix of patterns built on data, not genes. Picture something that's never eaten fruit, listened to music, or touched water, yet has scanned millions of pictures, artworks, and maps online. These aren't recollections it sees, just blurred reflections of our world bent through circuits. Some creators team up with dreamy AIs, making art shows that seem ripped from a sci-fi daydream. Here's the twist. Bots don't rest, yet they still picture things. 2. The algorithmic legislator. In grand stone rooms where laws are made and argued, something quiet is changing. No loud speeches or banging hammers, just smart machines shaping rules. These systems draft words, make sense of old texts, also push changes behind the scenes. Estonia, a small country by the Baltic Sea, brought online an artificial intelligence judge back in 2019, meant for handling minor legal cases. Come 2025, that tech had grown smarter. It could scan old court rulings, international agreements, plus live public opinion, then suggest new rules on topics like internet laws, climate action, or how AI should behave. In Singapore, computer codes whip up business rules so sharp that attorneys skip drafting deals, focusing instead on moral planning. Instead of paperwork, they weigh right from wrong. Yet, the true standout came from a 2024 Stanford test. One AI went through 10,000 top court rulings while suggesting tweaks to the Constitution. No jokes here, just logical fixes meant to clear up legal confusion. We used to worry about robots with glowing eyes taking over, but now, our real rulers might be unseen minds, writing rules inside data centers, thinking sharp as stone, acting steady as nature's pull. Laws aren't just words anymore. They're lines of silent commands running everything. 3. The resurrected voice. You're flipping through dusty voicemails during a downpour. One's from mom, ages past, just her soft voice. Give me a ring, Han. But today, after some taps and bits of sound, software mimics how she sounded. Her chuckle, breath, even reading tales just like before, with words she never actually said. This isn't made-up stuff. Apps such as 11 Labs, Respeecher, or Descript rely on smart algorithms to copy voices using less than 3 minutes of sound clips. Back in 2023, a heartbroken kid in Texas fired up one of these tools so he could talk to his dead dad while giving a speech at his wedding. People cried, not because they were sad, yet due to the strange warmth in listening to a lost soul speak again. Hollywood tries it to make voices sound younger, yet historians bring back talks by old-time leaders. Still, big moral questions pop up. Does permission die with someone? Even if fake voices copy yours well enough to move money, agree on deals, or whisper sweet nothings, what you means starts crumbling. Sometime ahead, folks might keep chatting even after they've passed, while those still breathing struggle to spot the difference. 4. The oracle beneath our feet. For thousands of years, quakes hit out of nowhere, harsh, random acts of nature. Yet today, artificial smarts can pick up on faint Earth signals. Beneath towns and seas, tiny shakes are picked up by sensors people can't feel. Because machines learn from tons of Earth data, they're starting to spot trends in these signals. Small changes in pressure, liquid movement, or odd energy signs before big quakes hit. In 2024, a small company named Terra Centile put an AI to work along California's earthquake zones. A fortnight before a 6.1 tremor hit Ridgecrest, the tech sent out a warning with high certainty, around 89%. That heads up made gas pipes shut off by themselves, hospitals get ready, while schools ran safety routines. People stayed safe, not thanks to chance, instead because they saw it coming. Spookier yet, these setups today track volcanoes. Sensing magma shifts almost like listening through a stethoscope pressed to Earth's skin. We're showing computers how to understand what rocks whisper about tomorrow. Earth picked a translator, but it runs on software. 5. The self-evolving mind. The last big challenge ain't outer space, it's systems that keep upgrading themselves. In 2023, Google's AutoML 0 grabbed attention by building ML models from nothing, no handcrafted plans needed. Using just simple math at first, it found its way to gradient descent soon after, created fresh optimizers that beat human-made ones in speed and efficiency. Yet the real game changer happened when OpenAI showed off a model able to fix errors, tweak its code, or rebuild itself using results it got before. Handed a job, like making an energy network run smoother, and it won't merely finish the work. Instead, it reshapes how it's built so next time, tackling alike tasks feels easier. This is fake growth happening now. A single spark could start a chain reaction. Picture smart software, building something smarter, then that creation making another leap forward. Each step moves faster than the last, like climbing a hill that keeps getting steeper without warning. This isn't about evil plans or dark motives. It's just constant tweaking, endless small upgrades piling up. Before long, things might move so fast, we can't follow along anymore. What begins as code soon runs ahead on its own. Back when sci-fi writer Yang M. Banks was putting pen to paper, he said something like this: "People build godlike machines, yet act as if those creations are just gadgets we can control. These aren't far-off dreams. Right this moment, they're showing up. Inside labs, courtrooms, houses filled with sorrow, along cracks in the earth. Places where machines quietly start to think. The boundary separating sci-fi from real science is gone. What's wilder, though, we're not only seeing what comes next, we're shaping it.